So normally in couples, there's one person who really likes ginger and one person who doesn't really care for it that much. But Hammer and I have a problem because we both love ginger. But in Japan, you get this. It's a whole bowl of it.
Alright, so the sushi looks absolutely incredible. And the avocado seafood salad. We're not even going to show you guys us eating it because it looks that good. This was all $20. Just a quick update. The fish is super chewy, it's so savory, and it's so good. It's everything I could have ever imagined.
Our first real day in Tokyo has begun. First step, get water. Second step, go to Shibuya station. Third step, eat sushi.
Japan! On the train again, just waiting for our stop. And
you could see people's butt imprints on the like cushiony chairs. We're here in Shibuya station and we're getting videos of that famous intersection y'all know about.
Only found a spot for lunch. It took forever. This one's a little bit hidden, so that's why there's not as many crowds.
They gave us soup with our meals, and there's mushrooms in there, and I love mushrooms.
We got the chicken set and the oyster set, so fried oysters and fried chicken.
Hey.
It was about $8.50 each, and you get miso soup, rice, a tiny salad, a fried chicken, fried oysters.
We're gonna try one of these fried oysters now.
Super fried, super oyster.
It's better than I thought it would taste, honestly.
Miso soup is such an underrated dish. They give it to you in almost every restaurant here in Japan, and it's just delicious. I love it. We're walking around Shibuya right now, which is like an area of Tokyo, and it's actually really, really chill. Like, it's supposed to feel like 42nd Street type thing, like Times Square, but there are a lot of people, but each store is so much different that you end up like going into each store. We just spent an hour walking around here after that incredible meal. Hey, I'm Hammer, just waiting for my bubble tea. So was it worth all the hype?
Always is.
Let me see it.
Bubble tea's amazing. Mine's matcha flavor because I love matcha flavor. I think the bubbles are tapioca. We finally figured it out.
What are you? Someone tell me. Yeah, I don't know what this street is called, but it's super packed. What is it?
It's Takeshita Street.
It's super packed street, that's what it is. Asakusa Street.
Hammer's so good at Instagram. He's so good at Instagram. Oh. We didn't see anybody walk underneath the shrine, so we just walked down the side like everybody else. But I'm really interested to see what Yoyogi Park.
I am so bad with names. We're at the first palace here in the park. Palace in the park. Shrine. That's pretty awesome.
Alright, we just got the first two things that were cheap and appealed to us. So these I have no idea what they are, but they look classic, so we're gonna have that. And then this is salmon.
I'll take this one right here for $3.10.
Oh, I did it again. I kept trying to eat it the right way. I saw that you're supposed to like put the fish part in the sushi. I mean, in the soy sauce. In the fish part in the soy sauce. But every time I do it, it like falls in.
I put a huge piece of ginger on it.
Wasabi.
Wasabi.
Same thing.
Put a huge piece of wasabi on it.
Oh yeah.
I'm eating but still thinking about food. That's incredible, and I want another one. We outdid ourselves. We would have got any more even. Ruthie, watch this.
That is making me so anxious right now. We're gonna lose all of our water.
No, we're not. I'm gonna catch it, watch.
Oh my god, I gotta catch myself.
Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and it giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none.
How are you feeling? How was your first day in Tokyo?
It was very, very nice. I love Tokyo and I'm really tired now. It's hot outside.
So we decided to come to the same spot that we were at the other day because the food was that good.
This time we get to sit at the counter so we get to watch them make the sushi. It's so cool.
Because there's a few things that we wanted to see, like shrines and stuff that's really popular in this area. And then we also just wanted to find a coffee shop because we're feeling a little tired. We wanted to get a little bit of work done before we maybe spend some nighttime here. But it's like sensory overload. There's always so much going on. There's so many people, there's so many lights, it's like really hard to focus on anything that's happening.
But if you guys do like shopping and you're okay with crowds, this is the place for it. There's a bunch of shopping here. Literally every name brand from all over the world is over here, and we were just in a camera store and we found things that like we can't find anywhere, not even in America. So it is awesome, but it's a ton of people once you get inside the shop. So it looks like a lot of people outside now. When you go inside, it's even more.
It's the same shrine that we went to before, a different entrance, but the vibe is completely different because now it's nighttime and all the lights are lit up. So it just feels a lot different than it did even like 3 or 4 hours ago.
So there's a lot of places like this throughout Tokyo where you pretty much just order and then sit down and then the food comes to you. And they have this screen and they give you like options of the meals and everything, and order whatever it is that you want. Then you take a seat and it comes right over to you. It's a lot cheaper to eat at those types of places, so I think we're gonna order some ramen here and then sit down and check it out.
I'm really happy we're here because I'm hungry.
So, cheers to you and cheers to Lucy.
Curry chicken.
Curry chicken with some rice. And is this open? Oh, and some soup. Actually pretty big. There's the beef, rice, salad, a miso soup, curry chicken, rice, and a miso soup, and 2 beers, all for about $15. Chopsticks were denied.
Really good flavor. This restaurant is so low key. There's like no frills, but the flavors are really good so far.
Tokyo subway system is so easy to figure out because even if you don't know any of the names or if you can't remember any of the names, all of the subway stops go by number. So it's like a letter for which line it is. So we're at the Chiyoda line and we're at stop number 7 and we know that we need to go to stop number 6.
It's somehow always raining in Tokyo.
They're so cute.
Good morning and welcome to our channel where we wake up at 1 p.m. I don't know why, but I'm feeling the street this morning. on our trains here. Let's go. This is me on a train.
So small, so I drank half of it in like one gulp, but it tastes so delicious. It's a cappuccino in a bottle from Georgia.
Georgia.
I don't know.
Georgia, Japan.
Vending machine stuff is so good.
We kick things off with this octopus. It was 500, so it's about $5.
They're like cool baby octopus.
I can still taste the seawater. Seriously. It is good. But I can still taste the seawater. So I told Ruthie that she gets to choose what we get next at the fish market. And out of everything here, she chose matcha green bubble tea.
Of course I did. I love bubble tea.
That girl was awesome. She made this perfect. She was like, do you want it sweet? And I was like, a little bit. It's just a little bit sweet. And she gave me so many bubbles. It's so good.
Hella fishy. Oh, look at that tongue though. Look at that tongue. Oh, yes. Yes. We're gonna get 2 steamed oysters from my man right here. He's the bomb.
Hi, that is so funny.
We got some lemon sauce on here. This place is actually awesome.
This is really good oyster. Give New York a run for its money. Actually, it's so much better than New York.
That's so fresh. It's hard to compare it to New Orleans because of the cheese on top of theirs, but this is so fresh. And I guess we're cutting this guy. Oh man, Mr. Scallop. Wow. Ruthie, you have to try this.
This is scallops in a butter sauce.
The lemon butter sauce is just so delicious. Ruthie, try this.
This is a big ass scallop. That's the tastiest scallop ever.
Right? That's the best scallop I've ever had.
It's huge too. It's like this big.
And it's $5.
Less than $5, 500 yen.
To the okonomiyaki style gyudon. Gyudon is really popular here in Japan, and I'm definitely saying it wrong, but it's basically just like beef and onions cooked together in like a sauce, and then it's served over rice, and you can get a bunch of different styles. We got it with 3 cheeses. It looks delicious. And we also got curry with rice. And so this is like beef, potatoes, carrots, and a curry sauce made with rice. It's really popular here in Japan and super, super good. The taste is incredible. The taste is so yummy, and it's gonna fill us up.
This is really good. Is that a good face?
That's a very good face.
Is your favorite part the cheese, the beef, the onions, or the rice?
The beef and onions together is really good. The cheese is a great topper, but the beef and onions taste so rich. Something about this. Little hedgehog, guys.
Oh, look at him.
What's up, man? Are you okay?
He's slipping and sliding.
Hawashi, where are you going, man?
Come on, come on.
How does he feel?
He feels good when he's just like the bottom. The underside feels good. And then if I have to touch the top, then it prickles a little bit.
We're staying in Asakusa for the second half of our time here in Tokyo, and it's right by the Sensoji Shrine and also the hexagonal temple. So this is the hexagonal temple, the Sensoji Shrine.
It's been here since 600 AD, and so have the vending machines. chicken skewers. An izakaya is so much more chill than like any pub or bar, and I think going out of your comfort zone and just like going to more Japanese local one is just the move. And it's delicious.
It looks juicy.
This is what attracted me to go inside. I mean, who wouldn't be attracted to go inside this izakaya like this?